Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I just got in this new 2022 mobile suites. It's a 40 KSSB4 with the full, what they call partial paint, but it is a full paint, clear coated over. Auto leveling system, hydraulic system, big huge basement area. Pass through. The nice thing with this floor plan is if you want the Joey tray, you can order it, or we can put it and install the Joey tray that goes in one side, out the other, and vice versa all the way through. Got the big access areas into the basement. Remote lighting, so when you open the door, if you have it on sensor, the light comes on automatically. Notice the big, thick baggage doors. If you're not aware, in the mobile suites does have the thickest wall structure of any towable RV out there, 3 1/4 inch walls. Got the easy access step above step system, the screen door system with the pull-out vinyl block the wind, or what we used to call back in the day storm door windows. We can take those off, let the breeze blow in, or leave them on, have the door open, but yet not let the cold air come in and block it top and bottom, along with a big window on the door with a shade on it. Come on inside, let me show you some interior details. As we walk around on the 40 KSSB4, the dinette, living side, all on the door side. So we do have the dinette table here, full functional cabinets and drawers underneath. Table does pull out, has an extra leaf, has 2 more folding chairs, which I'll show you later. So 4 people can eat at this table very comfortably. It's got the MCD day and night roller shades, the wood window valances, all the overhead cabinetry above with piston hinges and very nice hinge work. Very nice woodwork, as you can see throughout this coach. A little small desk area here, or just a place to put things. Full adjustable shelving inside this cabinet. Nice big lower cabinet below. Drawers, all soft touch closed drawers and cabinets. Theater seating here, directly across to the TV. Again, more overhead cabinetry. This is going to have dual pane insulated windows as well. So again, it is made for the all-season, all-purpose, full-time living, if that's what we're looking for to use for an RV. Nice big sofa back in the back end that's going to make out into a hide-a-bed. Panoramic view around the windows, all the way around. Lots of cabinets again. Very open. You could always have shelves put in there. They are a little tall, but I've never lost a transaction from having too much storage. Little step stool, or when you own it, take your shoes off, kick up on the couch with your socks and get what you need out of it. Or if you're tall, you don't have to worry about it. As we pan around to the off-door side, we get into the entertainment area with the fireplace, the large 55-inch TV. New addition to the last year and a half or so is the hinged out TV, so it can be hinged out open, storage behind with the sound bar. And that's got a nice positive lock. Cabinets down below, little drawer area here. Cabinets on the side, again, more overhead cabinetry. All pre-wired for the Winegard satellite system. The appliance garage, lots of storage. New to the 22 versions is having these pull-out drawers or trays for your cabinets, and it's all lit above. In this one, there is a plug-in in the back end, so we can use that for our coffee pot, toaster, whatnot. And then nice big drawers below with all nice clear-cut plywood. Very nice, all kind of residential styling. The Insignia 4-burner cooktop with a high output burner. Largest oven in the industry. Overhead microwave convection. Again, more cabinets throughout. dishwasher. Nice big island with a handful of drawers. Big pots and pan drawer down below. Medium drawer and then a couple smalls. Garbage can on the end with a drawer above. This will hold a 13 cubic foot garbage can, as you can see there. Comes with it. So in the 40 KSSB4, this is one of the very few floor plans that's going to give you a sink in the side of the RV instead of most of the other floor plans having the sink in the island. So if you prefer that, this could make you a great floor plan. The backsplash is all solid ceramic throughout. Tons of cabinets below. Get into the refrigerator, residential refrigerator here with ice maker. We do have the freshwater dispenser in the side. So backing up to the underside of this coach, this is a full house filtration system as well as having the own refrigerator. So our drinking water actually through the refrigerator is going to be double filtered by the time it hits your glass. Nice big deep freeze, slide out drawer, big compartments in the freezer. As we come in at the entryway, all of our control panels are here. This is going to have the onboard surge protection built in and the power command system. This is Gen Prep, does not have a generator but does have the dial and on off button and hour meter already there. And notice the gauges here, different than most everybody else. This is going to have the sea level 2 tank monitors, is controlled and gets its reading through GPS rather than sensors in the tank that can give you false readings that most everybody else has. Fuse panels and breakers down below along with your 12 volt tank pad heaters. Come on upstairs, let me show you some neat features above. Again, more storage. And then as we come around into the bedroom, we have the doors here that are motion sensor light inside, but bifold doors. This can take a 2-piece washer and dryer or a single combo. Still cabinets inside, shelving above, all lit, very easy to access instead of being in our wardrobe closet. Or if you don't use the washer and dryer, you got his and hers closet area. Going into the bedroom here, king bed, end table on the side, individual reading lights, window off to the side there, above cabinetry, the big closet. Have not had, just like I said, it just came in, so haven't unwrapped things, but does have the factory bedding, comforter, pillows still in the bag here, goes on the bed. But as you can see, cedar lined closets with the shelving on both sides, hangers on both sides that are removable, as well as having the safe down on the bottom. Panning around looking at this one, we're going to have the dresser drawers on a slide out as well. So we got 6 drawers here. Again, we got backlit and or indirect lighting, as you can see there. TV, more cabinets. This is going to be your info center, so it's going to be an FM stereo system as well, and then the DVD player in the closet. Storage underneath the bed. Nice solid pocket door here to separate the bedroom from the living. And then as we're heading back out down the stairs, we do have the bathroom that is very nice. All solid surface countertop area, storage below, places for the towels and linens. Nice big shower. 1-piece shower stall. So I mean, you know, all residential. This Mobile Suites is going to have as much residential items in it as it possibly can put in it, along with the padded ceiling. Dimmable lighting in 3 different areas: living room, kitchen, bedroom. And we just go outside. I'll show you a few more features on the outside. This is going to have the dual awnings with aluminum casement covers over the awning. So we got the full patio awning up front, and then a rear awning that comes off the slide to give us a full 7.5, 8 feet of space off the back end. Storage below here. One-piece rear end cap, ladder, trailer hitch, power cord reel. Come around to the off door side. Got lighting on the exterior rear corner, so if we need to access something of the evening, we can. Goodyear H-rated tires, 8,000 pound more ride independent suspension with disc brakes. Truma AquaGo hot water heater, more storage there. Little docking station here. You'll notice on the mobile suites here we got the black tank flush. All the things are up and above in the insulated basement area. The other side of the basement here, one thing I want to show you, because it is something that most fifth wheels, I don't know of another one that has it off the top of my head, but notice the big copper water manifold system, the full house filter system, the wool insulation, the tank accessibility, everything is in the heated enclosed area. Two, what I call the 10-gallon bottles, or some people might call them the 40-pound, but you got lots of propane in here on a slide-out tray, as well as easy access to our inverter that runs the refrigerator, our hydraulic system for our leveling system, and our downstairs slide outs. And the battery tray is large enough for 2 more batteries, total of 4 on a pull-out tray. And then the other side here for our generator. That about wraps it up here in the mobile suites today, the 40 KSSB4. My name is Clay Thompson here at Bish's RV. Been selling the DRVs for quite some time. I'm passionate about the product, so if you have questions, feel free to holler. My number direct is 541-979-1770. Call me direct if you have any questions. Thank you.